Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to look at one of the question types on data insights, and that is called the two-part question. So here on the screen, I have a question from two-part analysis on the GMAT. Let us go through the question and try to answer it. We have the stimulus followed by the data, and then we have the question. So let us first read the stimulus and try to break it down. Now that we have read the stimulus, let us try to understand the text. Now, what is the text doing here? Normally on the data insight question, you'll find that whenever you have such a question type or such a question, it will give you some rules pertaining to the data. So here also we have been given with a set of rules. What we'll do is we'll try to map out the rules. Now, the first thing is it should be either a faculty or entrepreneur. Okay, of them 5 on each day. 5 on each day. So we already have 4. On Saturday, we have 4. Sunday, we have 4. Then the majority of interviews on one of the days will not be from finance. So one of the days, okay, on one of the days, the majority will not be finance. On the other day, at least 4 entrepreneurs will be interviewed. Okay. On the other day, so we have a day. The other day, how many? 4 entrepreneurs. Okay. Now, finally, what do they say? Neither day will have more than 2 interviews with experts from the same industry. Maximum, you can have 2 interviews with experts, same industry. Okay, so okay, that is what it says. Maximum 2 interviews with experts from same industry. Okay. Now let us read further. 4 experts on each day have already been confirmed. So you can see here, okay, 4 experts have already been confirmed, okay, on either day, as you can see. The following schedule shows the experts' details: profession, area of expertise, and industry. So we have the profession here, the area of expertise, and the industry. So this is the industry. Okay, this is area of expertise. Okay, and this is the profession. Okay, I hope you are all able to make it out. That we have mapped everything. So what we'll do is, okay, let us go to the question. Okay, what does the question ask us? Select an expert who could be the 5th expert on either day. Okay. Then select an expert who could be the 5th expert on either day. Okay. So as you can see, there are 2 questions here. Okay. So this is the first question. And this is the second question. So that is the reason it's called a two-part analysis. So you're answering 2 questions. You're analyzing and answering 2 questions. Okay. Now, how do you approach it? We approach it question by question. So first, let us look at the first question. Select an expert who could be the 5th expert on either day. Okay. So either day. So here we have the experts. We have to select one of those. So let us go ahead. Okay. Now, how do we go about it? Very simple. We have been given the rules and we just follow the rules. Okay. Now, what is the second rule here? See here. You can see it now. What does it say? Okay. One of the days, there should be 4 entrepreneurs. So if you look at both Saturday and Sunday, on Saturday, we have 3 entrepreneurs and on Sunday, 2 entrepreneurs. From this, we can conclude that on Sunday, even if we add another entrepreneur, it will not reach 4 entrepreneurs. So it has to be Saturday on which we should have 4 entrepreneurs. So basically it means that we require an entrepreneur here on Saturday. Okay, we require an entrepreneur here. Now we have solved what we require on Saturday, and it's an entrepreneur. So the entrepreneur who will come on Saturday will also come on Sunday. Okay, so the answer we are seeking is basically a person who is an entrepreneur. Now, if we go to the options, so we are looking for an entrepreneur. Okay, so automatically, who are we going to eliminate? We are going to eliminate the faculty. So faculty, Crow faculty, he's gone. Then who else is faculty? Garbo, he's a faculty, he's gone. Vandalay, he's a faculty, again, he's gone. Okay, so we are left with 3 entrepreneurs. Now among this, okay, we have to select. Now how do we go about it? Very simple. Go to the next rule. Now what does it say? Maximum you should have 2, interviews with experts from same industry. Now as you can see here already e-commerce is there. This industry has been repeated twice, e-commerce. Okay, so we cannot have another e-commerce here. We cannot have another entrepreneur with e-commerce industry. So obviously, if you look at it here, Pine, he's an entrepreneur and he's from e-commerce. So he's gone. So who is left? Mulek, Taffy. Okay, both are entrepreneurs, fine. Okay. And coming to the industry, one is automobiles and the other is sports. So if you can see here, okay, there is no automobiles, there is no sport. Fine, cool. Now, the thing is that if we select Taffy, what will happen? Finance will come. Okay, finance will come. Now, what is the rule? What is the rule? The rule says that on one of the days, majority cannot be finance. Okay, that is the rule. Now, if we select Taffy, what happens? Taffy will come on both the days. So the majority on both the days will become finance, because on each day you'll have how many finances? At least on Sunday we'll have 3 finance, and even on Saturday, yes, we have 3 finance. It will become 3 finance. So we cannot have that. So Taffy is gone. So what is the answer? Obviously Mulek. So Mulek is a person who could come on either day. Okay, that solves the first part. Now we come to the second part. Select an expert who could be the 5th expert on either day. So basically we have to select a person who cannot come on either day, either the Saturday or the Sunday. Okay, so again let us begin. Now how do we go about it? So what I'll do is I'll just erase this so that we are able to again map it clearly. So the answer here is Mulek. Now again we follow the rules. Okay, we have to make 2 selections. We have to make a selection where the expert cannot come on either day, either the Saturday or the Sunday. Okay, so let us start with the options. Let us just follow the process of elimination. Very simple. Okay, now here, who is there? We have Taffy. Taffy is finance. Okay, can Taffy come? As we already discussed, Taffy cannot come. Okay, Taffy cannot come on Saturday, Taffy cannot come on Sunday, because either day if he comes, okay, the finance will become majority. So he cannot come on either day. So we will keep this. We will keep this. We have to keep this. Okay, we'll keep this. Crow. Okay, again, Crow is finance. So again, he also cannot come on both days. For the time being, we'll keep it. Okay, Pine. Pine is an entrepreneur. Okay, Pine is an entrepreneur. Now, he belongs to the e-commerce industry. So obviously, Pine cannot come on Pine cannot come on Saturday because e-commerce is twice here. Okay, Pine cannot come on Saturday. But can Pine come on Sunday? Yes, Pine can come on Sunday. Okay, Pine can come on Sunday because there is no e-commerce industry on Sunday. So Pine can come. So Pine is eliminated. Mulik, obviously Mulik, we already said he can come on both the days. So he's gone. Gabo. Gabo is a faculty. Okay, the industry is hospitality. Okay. Now, faculty, strategy, hospitality. Okay, so let us look at it. First, let us go back. Okay. Can Gabo come? Okay. Now, Gabo can come. Yes, Gabo can come because the industry here is hospitality and hospitality is not there in either of it. Okay. So there is no case of repetition here. Okay. Gabo can come. So ruled out. Vandale. Vandale is faculty. Okay. And he's e-commerce. Okay. Now, Vandale faculty e-commerce, he can definitely come on Saturday. Sorry, Sunday. He can definitely come on Sunday, even though he may not come on Saturday. Because Saturday we actually require an entrepreneur. Okay. So Sunday he can definitely come. Sunday he can definitely come. Okay. And what is his industry? E-commerce. Now, e-commerce, it's not there in Sunday. Sunday e-commerce industry is not there. See. Okay. So he can definitely come on Sunday. So he's gone. Now, coming back to Gabo. Okay. I said Gabo can come. When can he come? Gabo, okay, obviously cannot come on Saturday because we require an entrepreneur. But Gabo can come on Sunday. Gabo can come on Sunday. And the industry is hospitality. As I told you, it's not there at all. Okay. So Gabo we eliminated. So what are we left with? Tafe and Crow. And both are from finance. Okay. Both are from finance. Now, who should be the answer? Okay. Is it Crow or is it Tafe? Okay. So let us go ahead and look at it now. Coming to Tafe, even though Tafe belongs to finance, what is Tafe? Tafe is an entrepreneur. And obviously, on Saturday, okay, we require 4 entrepreneurs. We require 4 entrepreneurs. So Tafe can definitely come on Saturday. Okay, because we require entrepreneur. So if you are stuck between Tafe and Crow, okay, Tafe can, even though it's finance, he can come still. Okay. But coming to Crow, Crow cannot come on Saturday because he's not an entrepreneur. Okay. So let us eliminate this first. We have eliminated Tafe. Now coming to Crow. Crow, okay. So what is Crow? Crow is a faculty. Now, Crow is faculty. So being a faculty, he cannot come on Saturday. But what about Sunday? What about Sunday? Now, if you look at Sunday, Sunday also he cannot come. Why? Okay. He is from finance. He is from finance. The majority will become finance. So hence, Crow cannot come on either of the days. So this is our answer. So Crow is the one who will not be coming on neither, who cannot come on neither day. Okay. So this is how you approach a data insight question, especially a question of this kind where you are given data and some rules. Okay. And asked to solve it. Okay. So that is about it for today. Thank you, everyone.